In this video, I'm going to explain what is a Markdown. Now, Markdown is a markup language which is used basically by many developers and data scientists and data analysts. And once we're going to use it in the upcoming videos, you will see that it's very similar to HTML, which is hypertext markup language, which basically uses markup tags. So why you should learn Markdown? Since we will be using Jupyter Notebook, so we will be writing a lot of Markdown to organize our Jupyter Notebook, to add more functionality and to add some comments and some explanation after each code. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to explain every topic separately, so it's going to be easy for you to get it back. So I will see you in the next video.